So Ken's the author of Making Java Groovy. Hello, Ken.
Hi. Hi, how are you?
Fine, thank you. And I'd like to ask you about this book. You've written more books, but first of all, I'm gonna focus on this one. You're giving a talk today here, or you have given before a talk about your experiences as a Groovy developer in the Java world. I don't know if you can share with us some of these experiences.
Oh, sure. Basically, what I normally do is I teach technical training classes and topics related to Java. I'm also on a conference tour where I speak to a lot of Java developers. I also encounter them in industry on a regular basis. So, mostly I was talking about what sorts of techniques in Groovy I use to demonstrate to Java developers how convenient the language can be, how helpful it can be to what they're trying to do. I also address the difference between the reality of Groovy and the related topics and the perception that it has in the industry, which has taken some blows lately due to political issues that have nothing to do with the technology, and therefore what sorts of arguments we can make as Groovy developers to demonstrate that no, the underlying fundamentals are very solid. There's a lot we can do. It's very productive in that way, and that we just have to overcome some perception problems and we'll be fine on all of that.
The other book or some other books you've written, it's this Gradle recipes for Android. I don't know if you can tell us about something about it.
Sure. That one's coming out right now. I mean, we'll be out within a couple of weeks. Basically, that Google decided that for Android development, they're using the Gradle build tool, and the book is designed to help introduce Gradle to all the Android people who are Java people and are pretty much unfamiliar with the Groovy ecosystem, and in particular, in the Gradle build tool in general. So it's basically written in a recipes fashion. So it's, say you want to do this, here's how to do it. Say you want to do that, here's how to do it. We talk about flavors and variants and build types and all sorts of mechanisms that Gradle supports, with the dependency management and running tests in parallel and everything. So it was really a lot of fun actually to work on, and I'm really looking forward to that coming out.
Okay, so we're hoping you're having fun here and see you soon. See you at your conference in a couple of hours, right?
I've got one talk this afternoon. I did the keynote this morning, and
Yeah.
then I have another tomorrow.
Tomorrow, right? That's it.
Right.
So yeah, a bit mess in my head about this. Thank
Not
you
a
so
problem.
much for being here, Ken. Thank you.
Oh, thank you very much.